Okay, yes. Okay, so today was Monday. Um, as you see, we took a trade, took a long on the macro, the London close, 10.50 to 11.10. We took a trade higher. Let's just quickly explain the trade and what I was thinking today and how I thought about today. So let's first start and go to open. So we opened around here. We had the SMT right here. That's we opened, so I was thinking, okay, we're gonna go higher. Straight off open, we did, which is fine. I just couldn't do much. Um, so it like all this new week opening gap was open, so that was a bit of like what I didn't like about today. But yeah, so we went higher overnight, went like a lot higher. So yeah, RTAs was gonna be big today. Midnight right here, 8:30 right there. And yeah, we're just gonna open around the all-time high. So I didn't like that. With a huge overnight win, we have like you're on a huge premium. The RTH is more than 200 handles. I'm just gonna wait, so I waited. So with open right here, I think the gray is the RTH higher quadrant, and then you have this CE right here. So for me, it doesn't need to go straight all the way into this RTH gap because we have like a pretty large gap. So yeah, that's the reason why it doesn't need to go all the way down here. So let's quickly look at the ES at like a huge wall in this trade because you're trading right here with a short-term high, internal high, and then the short-term high on the left. Trade lower. When we were right here, I was maybe thinking I was looking for this London to be traded to, and especially this new week opening gap. We trade down into that right here, hit the upper quadrant and went higher. I expected higher from here, so that has another impact on the trade today. Let's quickly look at Dixie as well. And Dixie, we also had like a huge new week opening gap, so I also expected here to go into the new week opening gap, so I expect higher. So yeah, yes, Dixie and also YM here in the suspension block on the daily, I think. And just took this sell side right here into this 1 hour busy. So yes, YM and Dixie were all aligning, so that was good. That made me more confident about the trade. So we had like a opened right here, went lower, took down this sell side right here, went into a consolidation. Um, I just was sitting still right here. For me, it was 50-50 on open, and eventually we took down this sell side, which is fine. I'm just gonna wait. We went higher, went to here, went lower, took the sell side right here. Um, so yeah, we took the sell side here. It was an SMT with ES, and we had this huge up candle. And I was thinking, okay, this could be something. So we trade down into it right here, and I was just like fighting with myself. Should I take it? Should I not take it? Um, I don't know. I didn't like had the confidence. I was like not on the chart here anymore. I was just like almost fell asleep right here. I don't know what I was doing. So when I saw the displacement and we trade out into it, it was like the first thing we had this US displacement, and then I was on the chart and I was looking. Okay, we had S&P, this, that. So I just needed some time. So we trade down all the way into this daily busy low right here, and look how we closed. So I was fighting with myself. What would I do? So eventually we traded down above this down candle, and a friend of mine, he he took the trade. So I was thinking like this is a valid setup. If I don't take this setup, it's like the same if I don't know, move my stop too quick. It's like I break my rules if I don't take this trade because I just need to push a bit more. I'm not pushing as much if I want to, which is not a bad thing, but I think I need to push more, so I just pushed it um, with the idea of it, of course, going higher to autumn high. It hit at this buy side right now. We stopped right here. So let's go on the partials. So I took 2 partials right here on this high. It's not a lot of money, but I just need to lock in some money. Then it went to this RTH high. At first I wanted to take a partial right here, but saw how we reacted from it. We're spending a lot of time, so I just took a partial right there. Had my stop right here. Went lower towards the first percent of Monday. Went higher a bit. Just took a partial again. I don't know exactly why I took this partial, but it's fine. I think when it touches this CB again, I went there and went spending a lot of time. And this time I was around 2 hours in the trade. So I was 2 hours in the trade. And then if you want to chart for 2 hours, you're just going to move your stop eventually because, I don't know, you just have a lot of time to think where it's going to stop. Temptation is high to move your stop higher and higher and higher. Why? Because you're 2 hours in the trade. You don't want to lose the money that you in profit right there. So eventually, took partial right here. I have 2 contracts left right here. So with this equal highs right here, with like this inversion, with like a little SMT right here, I saw this equal lows right here, and I was thinking I'm gonna be, I was gonna move my stop higher, and I did it. If I just let it right there, my stop would have been right here, and it would have taken me all the way up to this buy side, and I would maybe have like one partial left for the autumn high, or maybe for even higher. But yeah, it's fine. It's fine. We just went out. We had 2 hours in the trade, and then you're gonna do some stupid things, and I did that. So maybe I need to stop like being at the chart so much. We look in the parcels. Okay, we move a stop to a point where I think of if we're gonna hit this, then it's a bit lower probability, and just go away from the chart. But yeah, I was 2 hours on the chart on the whole trade almost. So then you're gonna do some stupid things, and I did it. We made about, I think, 450, around 500. I don't know. So it's okay. I'm not gonna be that mad. It's fine. So yeah, that was the trade of the today that we took. Did we learn anything today? Did we make a mistake? I think I should have been a bit more on the chart, but you're making a more clear plan right here. I wasn't good on the chart. I didn't really have the plan. Okay, if it's gonna go here, I'm gonna go long. When it happened, when this happened, I was thinking about high prices, and then I was uh, then I started thinking, okay, let's go and look for a trade. Then eventually I took it right there. So yeah, that was it for today. I expect autumn highs to be traded into. We had equal lows right here, no S&T right there, so we could eventually maybe, for the people who are also long and drill their stop a bit better than me, are still in. Those stops are all on this lows right here. So we could maybe look for that, or maybe we're just gonna go higher and higher. I'm done for the day. Am I happy about today? We made some money, so I'm not unhappy, but also, so there are always some things that you can improve, and or management of the trade maybe. And then I need more courage to just say, okay, just go into the trade and not wait. And then I just should have had more courage right here. So it's a good day. Tomorrow, a new day. Gonna be training as well, and that will be it for today.